Hey, I'm Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and I've got a cool little tip to help you with flat glass window tinting when you've got this architectural film with dry adhesive and you've installed the entire piece of glass. And now in this little one corner, and by the way, I've only put this film on one corner. I didn't do the whole glass because I want to show you this little example. You've kind of pinched it up here in the corner, trying to, cut around the seals. Everything was binding on you, and now you can't get it to lay down. The reason you can't get it to lay down is this is dry adhesive. It's not like pressure sensitive adhesive that we put on cars, so we could just wait for it to dry a little bit and push it. And it just sits there. And this type of adhesive has to chemical bond to the glass. So, you're kind of in a predicament right here, unless you know some tricks. Here's the trick. Elmer's glue. This stuff is really safe, non-toxic. It's mostly water. It really is. And it's just got a lot of something in it, filler, to make it have a heavier viscosity, which we're going to use this like a slip solution to help us with this bonding process. Here's how we're going to do it. Just get your finger like this, get it on your finger, and just rub it underneath the film like this. Like this. Just rub it in there. No big deal. Gently let it drop. Now with light pressure, don't push all this out. You've just got it in there. You got to let it stay thick because this is going to all evaporate. You just want to gently push it down. Right over these little pinches, just like this. It's a little messy. It'll wipe up. Voila. You can come back and spray your slip solution, clean your mess up. It'll naturally bond, and all that little watery blurriness will dry up and it'll go away. Nobody will notice it even there. That's how you fix the quarters to get them to lay down. That's the tip of the day.